Hey, this is Alex and welcome to my channel. Today I have my best friend Sarah here.
Hey guys.
And we're going to be recording a vegan meal. I'm a new vegan, so I'm pretty new to all the cooking and preparing and getting all the right ingredients, and she has a little bit more experience, so we're going to be making a tiger bowl.
Yeah, a tiger bowl, like a soba noodle bowl with some veggies and crispy tofu cubes.
Nice and crisp. Just the way we like it. Get over here. Hey guys, so we're at the final stage of our tiger bowl, so now we're just going to put everything together. So we're gonna be tasting it for the first time.
Here goes
Here it
nothing.
goes.
Okay.
Oh, I got it. Tofu. I'm gonna try it first.
Trying the noodles first, but if I can get it on my fork, that'd be great. I'm scared, like, a little bit.
Me too. I'm scared for you. So, I think the tofu is really crispy. It's the best tofu I think I've ever tasted.
Really?
And I freaking love this tofu.
Wow.
Because all the tofu I tried, it's
This is
like
actually really good.
soggy.
I'm
Like,
actually so proud
look-
of us. Wow.
why don't we make like a cooking channel? I don't
We
get it.
need our own restaurant. Remember when we were little, we used to have like these big dreams, like
really big.
we would like way too big.
Okay.
No, but seriously,
I'm gonna try the
this is
noodles
really
now
good.
because I've had soba noodles before and I kind of hated them. So, let's see how.
It's how they were made, probably too.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Mhm.
I actually like the sauce. I thought they were gonna
Like
get
we
some-
made this.
Well,
Wow.
actually, her grandma made it. We were just behind the scenes pretending.
The whole time.
Yeah, the tofu is actually really good.
Mhm.
I'm not a big fan of tofu. For some reason, the taste isn't really good to me, but if it's prepared well enough, then I actually enjoy it.
Yeah.
And I think we killed it.
What made you want to become a vegan?
For me, it was health reasons. I used to get really sick a lot. I used to get really bad headaches. I used to get really bad stomach aches. My periods were really bad. Sorry guys if you're listening to this, but they were really bad. I used to get really bad cramps and symptoms. So I was introduced to this lifestyle pretty much. And it's helped me a lot. Like I feel a lot healthier. And at first I thought it would be hard. Like I thought I wouldn't be able to eat anything, but like when you actually realize what other things are out there to eat, you realize there's like so many options and you can be so creative with how you prepare your stuff that you don't want to go back to being like unhealthy and like eat what you used to eat.
What was the biggest challenge?
I guess the biggest challenge is finding places to eat. So I work downtown, I work in the mall, and if I don't prepare my meals, if I don't bring food to work, like leftovers or anything, then I'm struggling to find a place to eat. At first, like, you don't know where to start, right? I know that for you, like, that was like an
Yeah,
issue
for
for you,
sure.
right? Because I don't know, maybe you can explain. when you
Yeah,
first started.
it was really hard because just like physically my body's so used to having meat that every time I ate vegan,
Yeah.
I was really full, but I didn't feel satisfied, and then I would be hungry within half an hour. So I feel like that's the biggest challenges, and I feel like I've been able to overcome that by always having snacks. So not leaving the house without something that, like, if I get really hungry, like, I don't have to resort to going to a fast food chain and then struggling that way. So basically just always preparing food so that I'm not relying on things that aren't vegan. So it's been really hard the first couple of weeks, but I'm getting used to it, thankfully. And I feel like just the more you know, the more easier it gets.
Yeah, it becomes a lifestyle. Like
Yeah.
it's like a part of you now, and
Exactly.
you know just how you used to make your meals, like before. Now you're doing it a different way, and it's just easier.
Yeah,
over
like
time.
looking at burgers and fast food just really, it becomes nauseating just looking at it now because
Sorry to people who actually eat meat. We're
No,
not
it's just
like we're not calling you guys out or anything.
no, because like once you start eating healthy and then you eat unhealthy,
Like your eyes are open. Like you
feel.
Did you do research? Like
Yeah, like once I realized what we're eating, it's just I can't go back now. It's so
Yeah,
hard to think
I know,
that like
that's how
I'm
it
putting
was.
that in my body. And that just motivates me to keep going. So all those times I look at like a chicken Caesar wrap and I'm just like, I want that right now. But then thinking about how I'm gonna feel groggy and not have energy and just ruin my whole mood and everything after is not worth it anymore. Like it's just once you live and you feel good, you don't want to go back to not feeling good and like gross.
Feeling gross.
Yeah. What did you think? Did you use the sauce?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah. Say that in front of the camera.
Yeah, so that we're not lying.
Yeah.
Tell them it's really good.
Very good, very good. I like it.
She's selling
Would you
it.
recommend it to all your friends?
Yes, of course.
What did you think about it?
She's like,
Oh, yes.
It's really hard here.
Okay.
Okay, let's do a serious one now.
Your uncle's coming.
I'm not gonna comment on the stupidity. I keep hearing.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Sorry, my uncle just...
Oh, that was bad.
My cheeks hurt. Ooh.
Oh my goodness.
Why am
Are you recording this?
Yes.
See what happens.
Let's do this. Hi. Hey guys, this is Alex, and I'm gonna be recording a vegan meal with my best friend Sarah.
Hey guys. Wait, hold on, I'm sorry. I did a weird thing with my eyebrows.
Did you go like?
Hey guys.
Oh my god.